Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to the SketchUp Arc Studio new tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to talk about how we can create realistic interior render in Enscape new version. So in this video I'm going to show how we can increase the people quality after rendering, because most of the time we have some problems with pixeling people's face or body in renders. So I'm going to show it after the rendering. So I'm going to open the SketchUp in here, and as you can see, this is the some type of lobby or waiting room that we have in here. So I'm going to click on the camera number 1, and I'm going to maximize my Enscape window in here. So now we can find out what is the scene we have in here. First of all, I need to set the rendering setup for my interior render. So I'm going to click on the visual setting, move it to this part, and start my work with the first option, which name is exposure. So I'm going to increase the exposure a little bit near to the 60%, and I'm going to reduce the field of view to zoom more on my project in here. So 69 degree is enough and professional. I'm going to turn on the depth of field, turn off the autofocus, and turn the focal point on the personage or people that we have in here. So something like this, 4.94, and depth of field can be 8%. I'm going to click on the image bar in here, and now I want to turn on the auto contrast. It helps me to balance the environment light, very simple and easy. I'm going to increase the saturation a little bit to see what happens. Actually, you can see what will happen. Saturation works like something like vibrance in the image edits, and you can see the colors get more feel, and also if you increase it to the 200, everything will be so unrealistic. So I'm gonna set it on 102, and if you want warm render you can decrease the color temperature, and if you want cold render you can increase it. It depends on you. I think for now 7000 Kelvin is enough, because also from the left side of our scene we have a sunlight, and in here we have IES lights, as you can see in the model. The motion blur is not so effective right now, and also we have a bloom option. If I increase the bloom, you can see what happened. In the edge of these shoes that we have in here, there's a type of focusing point of light. So when I increase the bloom, all the areas which include the sunlight have some type of bloom and faded effect on them. But right now I need to reduce it. You can use bloom in the bathroom or shower room renderings. So I'm going to turn it off totally because I need a sharp render. And also if I increase the lens flare, you see it not affect too much because bloom is also 0. So lens flare and bloom work together. I'm gonna type 16% in here. If I want, I can increase the vignette. Also you can see it make it more cinematic. It depends on you. I prefer to not use it so much, and chromatic aberration is 0. Click on the atmosphere and you have a fog option. You can see the effects so professional and advanced level if you want to play with it. But also it's very useful for exterior renders. So right now I want to skip it. The sun brightness, if I decrease the sun brightness a little bit more, you can see what happened. The lighting get a little bit more balanced. So in this case, if I turn it off, actually we have an interior lighting without any type of, how should I say, sunlight sources. But I need to hold it about 60%. Shadow sharpness, it depends on you, because we have a sunlight in here from the left side, and also if I want to show you on the 3D model in here, you can see there's a door, and also we have a shadow tracing from the these frames and glass. So if I want to increase the shadow sharpness, look at these places in here. If I increase the shadow sharpness, you can see we will have very sharp shadows for the interior. But for now, I prefer to use some soft shadows for my project. Artificial light brightness, we have IES profiles, and also we have some self-illuminated lights. For this reason, I'm going to increase it about 110. The wind is not so effective because we don't have any animation, and also I want to skip the skybox for you because it's the interior render. I'm going to minimize the Enscape at the right side and the SketchUp in the left side. So I'm going to click on the Enscape objects and select this IES light which I added before, and it's about 10,000 candela, the power of the lighting. So if I increase it more and more, you will see what will happen and what will goes on. It will have some bad interaction with the outside light, so you need to manage it. I think maybe 20,000 candela for now can be balanced. So in here also we have some type of plaster wall or something like this. I'm gonna close it, open the Enscape material editor and open the paint bucket. I'm gonna click on the sample paint in here, select it, and it's on the self-illuminated mode. If I increase it as I can, you can see more power of this line light in our project. It totally depends on you, but for now I just want to see a very small power and intensity of this light in my environment. So I put it on the 10,000. I go to the albedo color, go to the setting and select this code in here, Control C, take a copy and paste it on the color of my light and press enter. Now you have a totally pale lime color for your light. So I think everything is done for now. I'm going to close it and I'm going to click on the visual setting again. I need to, how should I say, fade the area more. So I'm going to increase the depth of field a little bit more to see what will happen. Something like this. For example, 13%. No need for increasing the rendering quality on the ultra, but if you want to increase it, you are free to use this. But for now, I think high render is enough for me. And also in the styles, we don't have anything to do. Just if I turn it to the white mode, you can see you can manage the lights much easier and more professional. It depends on you. For now, I'm going to set it on none. And in the image, I think if I reduce the saturation to the 98, it's more realistic. I'm going to click on the screenshot and I want to save it on my desktop. So I'm going to name it render 01. The type of it can be PNG is not bad, or I prefer to use JPG for now. I'm going to press save. It takes a little bit of time and Enscape will render this image for you. So when it's rendering, you can see some changes in the places that you have a self-illuminated light, and it's because of the new calculation of lights when Enscape rendering final your project. So we will wait for it. I'm going to open the Firefox and my render is done. So I'm going to close Enscape in here. Also camera number 1, save file and Control S. This file is saved for you. I'm going to click on the window, model info, statics and purge unused items, fix problems. Okay. Control S, and this file is saved. You can download this file below this video from the link that I provided for you. So I'm going to click on the Firefox or any type of browser that you have. Go to the renderai.com, the website that we have for rendering and improving your renders. So when you enter the website, there's an option in here which name is 4K upscale. I'm going to click on the fix people only. I'm going to drop my image from the desktop. Render number 1, open. It takes a bit of time to upload it. There's a 2 option, texture and image string. If you hold the cursor on it, you can see control how closely the result sticks to the base image. This setting previews over creativity. Actually, it's a balance between the how much AI can do some changes and also your image reality. I'm gonna set it on the 38, and in the texture, how should I say, more result on the textures related to the people, I think, because it's the fixed people only. So I'm gonna put it on the 30 as a default, and number of generations I put it on 2 and click on the generate. It takes a little bit time and it depends on your internet speed, but usually it takes about 1 minute or something like this, or faster. And this AI will give you a result for the fixed people quality. Okay guys, as you can see, after a few seconds we had this new render which is generated by the Render AI system, and as you can see the changes are, how should I say, very obvious. So I'm going to show you the differences. First of all, I'm gonna two images, both of them are, how should I say, same. I prefer this one. So I'm going to click on the download and it will download for me like this. I'm going to open it, hold it, and click on the render number 1 which you have in here. So I'm going to minimize it at the left side and this one at the right side. When I zoom in the left side, which is the Enscape render, as you can see, this personage or people object face is a little bit pixel and maybe it's not detectable. Also, it's on the low quality when you zoom in or also when you look from the out. But in the right side image, which is the render AI generated image, you can see how it fixed the people very simple and easy, and other things are totally safe. I mean, the environment not changed and this AI works so accurate. And in here also we have this one. I prefer the right one because everything is on the high quality and visible. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your time and thanks for your valuable watching. Follow the SketchUp Studio and goodbye.